Ever found yourself trying to count the frequency of each character in a string, only to end up with messy and confusing code? You're not alone. In this video, we're going to simplify this process using the power of Java 8 streams. Let's say you have a string, hello world. How can you efficiently count how many times each character appears? Java 8. Streams make this task a breeze, and I'm here to show you how. First, why use Java 8 streams? They offer a clean and efficient way to handle data processing. Streams allow you to perform complex operations in a single line of code, making your programs more readable and easier to maintain. Here's what we'll do. Step 1. Convert the string into a stream of characters. Step 2. Use the collect method to accumulate the frequency of each character into a map. Step 3. Print the result. Now, let's break it down. Input.chars. This method converts the string into an int stream of characters. Let's break down the step 3 code in detail. Collect method. The collect method is a terminal operation on a stream. It performs a mutable reduction operation on the elements of the stream using a collector. Essentially, it transforms the elements of the stream into a different form, like a list, set, or in our case, a map. Collectors.groupingBy is a factory method that returns a collector implementing a group by operation. It groups the elements of the stream based on a classifier function, in this case C2C. This classifier function specifies the key that each element should be grouped by. C2C, the lambda expression C2C, is the classifier function that specifies how elements should be grouped. In our case, each character is grouped by itself, so all occurrences of the same character are grouped together. Collectors.counting is a downstream collector that counts the number of elements in each group. When used with grouping by, it counts the number of occurrences of each character in the stream. Putting it all together. Let's see how this works step by step. Grouping by character, C to C. The stream of characters is processed, and each character is classified based on its value. For example, the character H in the string hello world is classified as H. Counting occurrences, collectors.counting method. For each group of characters, the counting collector counts how many times that character appears. For instance, if the character L appears 3 times in the string, the count for L will be 3. Collecting the result. The result is collected into a map character long type, where the key is the character and the value is its frequency.